This time, Islamic Secrets will reveal the amazing story of two American doctors who converted to Islam after treating their patients. Guidance from Allah can come to anyone and from anywhere, provided there is a will and sincerity from the deepest heart, and without any coercion. Like the story of this woman who decided to convert to Islam because she was amazed by the steadfastness of the Muslim patients she treated. This woman, who works as a specialist doctor, received guidance after experiencing an incident that made such an impression on her that this incident made her convert to Islam. This story is a story experienced by an obstetrician at a hospital in America. One day, an Arab Muslim woman came to the hospital where the beautiful doctor worked. The Muslim woman was about to give birth. After waiting for a while, the beautiful doctor's time on duty was over. Then the beautiful doctor said goodbye to him to go home and said that there was a male doctor who would replace him and be responsible for the delivery. Suddenly, the Muslim woman who was about to give birth was sad, then cried and started to get a little hysterical. He said, "No, I don't want a male doctor." The beautiful doctor was a little surprised by this woman, because so far she had never treated a patient who objected to being treated by a male doctor. Then her husband told his wife about her condition, that he didn't want a strange man to see her. In his wife's lifetime, no man had ever seen her face except her father, her brothers, and her uncles. Her husband's words made the beautiful doctor laugh in surprise. In fact, the doctor thought there was not a man in America who had never seen his face. However, due to the kindness of the beautiful doctor, he complied with their request to accompany his wife's birth, even though his shift was over. The next day, the beautiful doctor met them again to check the wife's condition after giving birth. Then tell them that after giving birth, most women in America experience internal infections and fever. This is because they had husband and wife relations after giving birth. Therefore, the beautiful doctor advised them not to have sexual relations between husband and wife for at least the first 40 days. And during these 40 days, you should eat nutritious food and not be busy with activities because your body is still tired after giving birth. This Muslim woman responded to the beautiful doctor's suggestions by saying, "Islam does set such a rule, namely that husband and wife are not allowed to have sex for 40 days after giving birth, because Islam stipulates the postpartum period." Extraordinary! This Muslim patient's words really made the beautiful doctor amazed and surprised, and said, "Islam has taught this, and we non-Muslims only found out after doing many long studies." The obstetrician's admiration did not stop there when he said that babies should sleep on their right side, because that is better for their heart rate. Then they said, "That is indeed what our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said in the Sunnah. Our Prophet said, 'Lie down on your right rib.'" The beautiful doctor said, "I took an obstetrician to learn more details about childbirth and matters related to it. We doctors spend our lives studying this medical science. It turns out Muslims already know about it from their religion." Since then, this beautiful woman began to study Islam and took several months off to go to another city in America where there is a large Islamic center. The beautiful doctor spent his days there asking questions and studying about Islam and socializing with Muslim people, both Arabs and Americans. After several months of studying Islam, the beautiful doctor declared his Islam by saying 2 words. The Shahada is a symbol of Islamic faith. From this story, we can learn a very valuable lesson. A husband should look for a female doctor for his wife when she is about to give birth, because this is a form of protecting the wife's honor. A Muslim should be proud of his religion, even in difficult situations such as giving birth. Adhering to the practice of Islamic teachings is part of dawah. In the midst of the hustle and bustle of people, saying that a Muslim who adheres strictly to the teachings of his religion is someone who is rigid and old-fashioned, it turns out that there are still many non-Muslim people who admire the teachings of Islam. This beautiful doctor is not the only one who converted to Islam. A strange incident was also experienced by a doctor working at a hospital in the United States who decided to convert to Islam. The reason the doctor said the Shahada was very strange. namely because the babies had been switched. One night, 2 births occurred simultaneously in the hospital. After the 2 women gave birth, the 2 babies were mixed up, and no one knew who the 2 babies belonged to, male and female. This chaos occurred due to the carelessness of the nurse who was supposed to write the mother's name on the bracelet placed on the hands of the 2 babies. In this hospital, it turns out there is a Muslim doctor who works with excellent knowledge, so that he has a big influence in solving every problem they face. And when the 2 doctors found out that they were confused, who is the mother of the baby boy, and who is the mother of the baby girl, then the American doctor said to the Muslim doctor, "You say that the Quran has explained everything, and you say that the Quran covers all problems. So show me how to find out who the mother of each of these babies is." The Muslim doctor replied, "Yes, the Quran has explained everything, and I will prove it to you. Let's diagnose the breast milk of both mothers, and we will find a solution." After seeing the results of the diagnosis, the Muslim doctor was very confident, telling his friend, an American doctor, who the real mother of each baby was. The American doctor was amazed and asked, "How did you know?" The Muslim doctor answered, "In fact, the results show that the amount of breast milk in the breasts of mothers who have male babies is twice as much as that of mothers who have female babies. The ratio of salt and vitamin levels in breast milk for mothers who have male babies is also twice as high as that of mothers who have female babies." Then the Muslim doctor read the verse from the Quran, which was used as the basis for the argument for this solution. "For a man is like a woman's soulmate." And after hearing the meaning of this verse from the American doctor, he was stunned, and he spontaneously declared his Islam without hesitation. The doctor said the Shahada sentence after admiring the contents of the Quran, which had resolved the problems they were facing. Indeed, the Quran provides very valuable lessons for the doctor's life. The Quran provides extraordinary knowledge that humans cannot possibly have. Know it if the Quran doesn't tell you. The Quran provides a solution for anyone who needs it. The Quran is an extraordinary source of life. Thank you for watching our video. Hopefully it will inspire you, and you can learn a very valuable lesson from this story. This story is a true story. But the video is only an illustration, and we apologize if we don't show the original cast and show the doctor's name. This is because it is not enough. We have searched all the sources for our knowledge, but we only show the story without showing names, photos, and videos. Therefore, we show the video as an illustration so that we can hear the extraordinary story of converting to Islam.